Weather Wonders, exploring the science of rain, snow, and thunderstorms. Did you know the weather around us is always changing and there's a lot of science behind it? Let's dive into the fascinating world of weather patterns and learn about some cool phenomena like rain, snow, and thunderstorms. First up, rain. Raindrops form when tiny droplets of water in the clouds come together and get heavy enough to fall to the ground. Rain is essential for plants to grow and keep our rivers and lakes full of water.